Hello, hello, song. Hello, hello everyone. This is Cryptolo here. We are live, a YouTube channel. Kind of like off a little bit for a couple of days, working busy, so didn't do much on the videos. But today I come up with you guys to do some review on the market analysis. And also, I'm gonna bring it up later on the video about cryptocurrency, of course, about Bitcoin, what I'm thinking, what it goes, and everything else, based on the past and some interviews. Actually, one interview from Joe McPhee that actually predicted. I thought he'd say 500,000, but actually he predicted 1 million, if not $5 million for Bitcoin based on math. So right now we look at this past week we had on the market, we had Netflix earnings, and also we have Tesla earnings. So we're looking at right now the weekly chart from Netflix, and as you can see it, I always keep telling you guys my indicators, what they are, and how they kind of like give me some perspective, what's gonna happen in the future, or of course, if it was 100%, I would be like billionaire right now. But anyway, I just find out those indicators not too long ago, so I'm using TradingView, and as you can see in Netflix 1 week chart, we have a channel break, hit it on buy position on this candle over here on October the 2023, with a buy position, and from there on we have these other confirmation November the 23, 2013, November 2023 with the buy position. And a weekly chart, and then we print this big candle at 18% and hitting the 570 price on closing on Friday. So if you look some of my videos, I think the 2 live videos ago, I posted a video showing the weekly chart. We are trading in this area right here. Should have make a bar over here, but we trade in the 493 with one of my indicators sell. It's supposed to be like right on a sell position. Okay, so even like the Netflix didn't post. Let me see here, a decent. They missed the top and they hit on the bottom. And I think they look more like the subscription mode. So kind of like that's where they are right now. So anyway, so the price hit it this much because of that. So moving forward, the other company actually had the earnings, and the one that we've been follow was Tesla. We're looking at a weekly chart right now, and Tesla also trading on the, actually even Tesla hold the support, not support, but the support actually indicator for me, that was the BUMB, for one of my indicators. It kind of like, I was wondering why this did disappear yet. Will disappear this week. But normally when something like this happened, this big candle, which is the 13% on the weekly chart, actually shows this kind of should go away, but it still kind of hold. As you can see, the next support, and even like a bounce on the bottom, was $152. Started from 152 to 164. We are already trading below this bar over here. So I'm not sure how we gonna see it for the Tesla coming up. So many downgrades on Tesla, and it's not even funny. And also, one of the Web Bush guy was very bullish on Tesla for many years. He went, he took off his best idea. So I don't know, but Tesla is different case. So
Is your
I don't know. This is the video that I'm gonna place to you guys on the YouTube video from Bitcoin. What I'm thinking. So let's take a look right now on Bitcoin. Let's go in here. Okay, let's go Bitcoin. So, okay, this first chart that I'm gonna show you guys is gonna be the Binance, because I make bigger for you guys, probably can see better. So on Binance right now, as you have the indicator of a channel break on the weekly chart, even like we printing like a nice big, kind of like try to reverse situation, this one right here. So that's what we have right now on Binance. So let's bring the video, that way I don't have the connection. I can have the connection on this video, that the Bitcoin situation that I'm talk to you guys. Let's go.
number on the $1 million based on a math? And I know you're a math guy. I think you got a major in mathematics, right? I think you got a major in mathematics. And as somebody who's a math guy and your brain is wired, everything is math. Did you come up with $1 million based on a formula, or did you come up with $1 million of assumption of what you think is going to take place?
I came at it two ways. I looked at the number of users, the user growth, and I chose $1 million because it has to be more than $1 million. I can guarantee it. I came at it that way. It came up with maybe between 3 and 7 million. I came at it the mining way, okay, which I believe is a lot more valid. The last Bitcoin to be mined. Okay, there's 10,000 miners. Thank you, Jimmy. The difficulty rate for that last Bitcoin is going to be almost infinite. It's going to cost $4 to $5 billion to mine that last coin, and miners are going to do it. The value of that coin has got to be more than the work put in to mine the fucker. So if it costs, let's say, even $1 billion, all right, so $1 billion, the last one. Why don't you work backwards from there and find out what the end of 2020 is going to be? So two ways come up with the same number. Between, that's 5 million is probably the thing. 1 million, it's way outside the lower range, so I'm very safe.
It's fascinating watching your level of conviction that you have in the product.
It's not a level of conviction. I look at reality as objectively, not with what I wish it would be, but what it actually is.
Okay, so
If Shannon's
sorry. This interview, let's see if I can go back here and kind of jump on so this interview was posted 5 years ago, so we talk about 2019. So he was talking about Bitcoin hit it $1 million by 2020 based on mathematical calculations, but didn't happen. I'm gonna show you guys why. Trying to make it short as possible. We are ready about 10 minutes. And some other guys in some of the videos that bring the prediction of Bitcoin a little bit like close to that point, and I think that's first. Let's see right now. We trade on a 42,300 on Binance, and let's bring this other chart over here. And still weekly. We're gonna be still in a weekly chart, and this is the CME group from January. As we close on the last Friday, they're gonna pay out this contract on the Monday the 29th. So then we're gonna start the new contract, which is gonna be CME futures. Right now you see it. It's gonna be the February, which is it's take this off over here. That way, go features, go by name, go see me, and let's take a look on the February. Okay, so February, the next month, which is again the 26th Monday, so last Thursday, that's Friday of the month, last Friday of the month, and then Monday it got paid out. So right now for next month, we are already trading at 40. It stopped on Friday, the trades 42,390. Okay, let's make bigger as you guys can see it. So right now that's what we have. So then let's go. We're gonna show one more. This is the CME Group futures weekly chart. We have February 24, and it stopped on last Friday 42,390. Okay, so you guys with me. So now let's take a look on the right now where we trading right now at Binance 42,313. Okay, but as you can see it, we are inside this bar count, inside the sell. We have indicator in the weekly chart for sell, open position for sell, so sell short in the weekly chart. So let's take one more. Should have done this before, but let's go in a CME Group. Okay, let's go to the website. Oh my God. Okay, let's go in here. It's not what we're looking for, but the markets and markets, cryptocurrencies. Go Bitcoin futures right here. Okay, bear with me. Okay, this one on the website, I believe, is already moved to the February contract. Let's go quotes. It's the G. Okay, yeah, it's already showing the contracts from February. So let's take the volume is like 9,900. Let's go options Monday for the weekly. And let's take a look while we are right now on the price is 45.50, 45,500. Sorry, but let's take a look at settlements. Okay, here it didn't show as much that I want to see it on the app. Okay, 41, 42, 43,000. It didn't show. I don't know why here it didn't show on the app. Let's take a look on the app from the CME Group. I'm going to bring to you guys on my phone. Close this video. Options, elements. Okay. Man, it's gonna be showing sideways. It's not flip. So let's go there. We can add it. And I change the angle of the camera. Okay. And this is Sorry, guys. It's gonna be better this way. All right. So in the app, we can see it better. I don't know why it didn't show here. Let's stick from the European. And European. Also 37. Okay. And the European actually show what I'm trying to show to you guys. And where we are right now. Okay. Open interest 53, 43, 31. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see it, but $43,000 we have for the next month of open interest on the CME group. For the calls, we got 31 at 43,000 and 19 at 43,000. Sorry. So the app actually showed me the same thing. Let's see. Actually see 33 in the app at 43,000 and 43,000. We have, okay, on the app I can see the volume. I don't see the open interest on the, actually I'm Salomon. Yeah, I'm Salomon, yeah. So on the app I can see the volume on 16 at 40,000, 0 at 43 puts. As we have 43,000, we have 33 calls on the next month. So meaning like the price will be on Monday, it should be, if you keep this way, above 33. And right now it's 43 with 33 on volume and open interest for this as 31. So we are in the same open interest and volume right now. As you can see here, this is the web page, and then we put both together. And I don't know, you can see it in the app. It's the kind of show volume at 33 and open interest at 31 for the 43,000. I believe the Bitcoin is going to be above 43,000 for next Monday at open, and probably like all the way towards the end of the month it might hit it. As you can see here, we don't have much going on above that 50,000, maybe 2, but I don't know if you're gonna go that high. But for sure it's gonna be from between 43 to 45 at this point, because if you open at 43, it's gonna be a gap up. It's gonna be bullish side. Even in a weekly, we have a sell open on that. Okay, so going back to the market and looking at the next earnings for this week, we probably gonna have the big business week ever. So we gonna have the February 1st, which is this coming week. On the February 1st will be Thursday, and we're gonna have a Apple. We have also Microsoft. We have Facebook. We have as Meta. We have Meta, Google, Apple, Microsoft. So the QQQ, which is like the ETF, all this. Let's see how we're looking at QQQ in the weekly chart. Right now, in the weekly chart, it's very healthy. Both indicators showing up at November 6th, the buy position, and in the weekly chart. And as you can see, the big support is 330 only here down the bottom. Big head and shoulder going on. Also maybe like a cup and handle, maybe hitting like a top. We hit an all-time high, but this last candle over here, it might be a bearish candle. We see. This coming week will be very interesting to see it, and hopefully things go good. But I don't know if you go, some of the companies, especially Apple and Meta and Microsoft, especially more like Microsoft and Apple, if both hit bad on the earnings, this probably gonna go down a little bit. But I read a book and they say like normally people don't play bets on a high market cap companies because they sit in cash. So if something go wrong, they can buy back, and the stock will bounce back from the high, from the low actually. So always be careful and make sure you are positioning. So I'm gonna come up more deeply. I have to go somewhere right now, but I'm gonna go probably tonight. After the futures open, we come back again, take a look and see if Bitcoin hit like a gap up. Was predicting go 43. If that happens, all the Bitcoin related, all the ETF from Bitcoins will be up this week, and also the price on the. Gonna take a look one by one for the earnings this week, and also the QQQ, which is more important for the earnings for this week coming up. Also. And the calendar also going to be briefly on that, but we have a Fed talk and everything. So it's going to be like a good week for the market for sure. But thank you for watching, and